Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I'm back. I finally got another budget phone. I'm doing budget videos again, guys. Oh my god, it's been so long. It's been a while since I really got into budget videos. Like, it's been months and months, close to a year probably. But I paid $84.77 at Family Dollar, and I got this LG Zone 4, and we gotta check it out. So yeah, I know I've been focusing on Samsung for the past year now. Not like just 2019, I mean like for the past 12 months. I've been focusing on Samsung a lot, and flagships and Galaxy Buds and all these other kind of expensive things at that. So now I'm finally getting to the cheaper things like the LG Zone 4, and I'm gonna go and unbox this thing. So I'm at the table now, and I just want to say real quick, don't mind my hands. Like, I know they're like pretty greasy right now. Alright, so first off, don't mind my hands. I had to go to the nearest Vaseline available, so that's why it looks like this. Like, my hands were looking pretty rough. That Vaseline went through a tough battle, but it got through it, thankfully. And I just had to deacidify my hands because it was just not his day today. Like, I saw Zone 4 videos going back as far as like 10 months ago from CV Tech and everybody, so I know I'm late. But Family Dollar just got these in stock like not that long ago, and I know Family Dollar takes forever to get these phones in, but well, it's in now. And I just want to make a big comeback with budget phone videos, starting off with this, and then I'm gonna get the Moto G7 Play, like it is going to be crazy. But yeah, so we have LG Zone 4 here, America's best network, no annual contract, Verizon. We got a 5-inch display, 8 megapixel rear camera, and a 5 megapixel front camera. And we have a 2500 milliamp hour battery. And on the back, we have some things like the phone color, which is blue. And we have expandable memory up to 2 terabytes. So that's pretty crazy. Like, that's actually pretty impressive. The way with the operating system is Android 7.1.2, so it's pretty behind. Maybe it has an update though, but I don't know. Like, these budget phones don't get a lot of updates. And then we have a 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor by whoever knows it is. And then they have what's inside the box, which I don't understand why they put that there because you already have the box, so just look at it and see yourself. But alright, let's just go ahead and get into this thing. And you can see it hasn't really been touched because look at all the dust at the top. But okay, so let's look in this thing. So Verizon, okay, that's all nice. Let's go and take this out. Slide that out, and there's our Zone 4. And it's looking like the regular LG interface here, so hopefully it gets updated to Android 8 at least. But who knows with these budget phones because that doesn't happen very often. But we have the Zone 4 here. It's a decent little screen size. It's small though. We have a fingerprint scanner on the back, so that's nice. I mean, it's pretty average though these days. Let's put that to the side real quick. So what else we got up in here? Activate your phone, I don't care. And then there's the blue here, so it's a nice little looking blue. I like that. Got the camera, we got the flash, we got the fingerprint scanner, Verizon, LG, the speaker. Put that to the side, and then we have our cable here. Micro USB, pretty sad. I'm not even gonna excuse it because it's a budget phone, but even budget phones should have USB Type-C these days. But we have the power brick here, pretty expected, and it's pretty small. Okay then, I like that. And the last thing we got up in here is the battery, if I can get this out. And there we go, that's our 2500 milliamp hour battery, is that what they said? Yeah, 2500 milliamp hour battery. Okay, that's it, in the box and everything. So let's just go ahead and get this battery in the phone. Go and put that thing in there, and then we have our SIM card in there already, so okay then. And let's go ahead and peel off this plastic. I don't think it's gonna be very satisfying though, but I guess we can see. Actually, no, I'm not doing that anymore. I forgot about that. I'm not putting up to the camera anymore. It's just not necessary anymore. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna be MKBHD doing that again. But we got our power button here on the back that works as a fingerprint scanner too, so typical LG still. I don't know if they still do that in the G8 with the hand gestures and the hand unlock, just that little gimmicky stuff. And even on the S4 it worked better, so come on LG, you could do better than that. Let's go and turn this thing on here. So we have the cameras here, we have the earpiece, we have LG, okay. And we have a pretty thick bezel. I mean, it's pretty average, it's a budget phone. And on the right side, we don't have anything. On the left side, we have our 2 power buttons that's separated. We have our Verizon boot up logo here, and at the top we have a microphone. At the bottom we have a micro USB with a headphone jack, and we got another microphone. So that's pretty much it for the phone. And I already covered this, but we have the camera, the flash, and the fingerprint scanner with the Verizon and the LG logo on the speaker. But alright, so it's actually preparing right now, and now we'll actually just go ahead and fast forward through the setup once we're all done. So don't activate, and it looks like we're good now. Okay, I'll just fast forward through all this. Alright, so we're already done. I thought we was gonna at least be able to connect to the Wi-Fi and go through the setup, but I guess not. And it's not even look like this is a fingerprint scanner, which is kind of sad. And I don't even think that this thing is a fingerprint scanner, which is kind of sad. Like, it actually had me excited for a little bit. And yeah, no fingerprint scanner. So yeah, I'm disappointed. But okay then, so that's the LG phone here, the LG Zone 4. It's looking like a decent phone so far. I just really wish it had a fingerprint scanner. That sucks, man. And I really wish you'll be able to let us connect to the Wi-Fi without having to use data instead of the phone, but I guess not. Because when you set up your phone on the first setup, like it sets up everything, but once you do it afterwards in the settings, it don't set up everything. So I'm not liking that, but I mean, I guess it is what it is. And that's the LG Zone 4, so I'll do more videos on this. So again, that was like 80 bucks. Where's that receipt at? So here we go. So we have LG Zone 4, and then there's the price right there, $84.77. That's how much I paid at Family Dollar. And that's up in Wisconsin with the taxes and everything. So if you live in Wisconsin or if you live somewhere else, you should expect somewhere like that. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Go and like the video if you liked it and if you want to see more videos on this. But I'm going to go and chew this up. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.